the prince that rules my heart. My one and only prince. You are highly welcome. Hey, what happened? Eh? I've been calling you, testing you. No response. What is the problem?
What are you asking? You embodiment of evil.
Hey? Me? Embodiment of evil? How? What is going on, my love? Talk to me. Hey?
You're pretending as if you don't know. After all the effort I put in just to get our traditional marriage done, just to make sure the coronation come to pass, the Ezemo advised me that I should seek the advice of Opaka.
You mean you went to seek advice from Opaka? You went to Opaka of Obodo Kingdom to seek answers?
I am glad you know about Opaka. I am glad I can see the energy that you know about him.
Who doesn't know Opaka? Eh? Everybody knows Opaka. Yes, everybody does. I was just wondering, why does your visit to Opaka of Obodo Kingdom, what does it have to do with us?
There is no us. Huh? And there can never be us. Listen, so many evil has been swept beneath your garments. And you never thought it could come to play. Listen, I am aware you had an illicit affair while you were in a relationship. An illicit affair that led to the birth of a male child. Listen, a child your sister Olama offered to take care of. She opted to take care of that child despite your wickedness on that girl. You wanted to kill the innocent child. I can't believe the thing I detest the most has been sleeping on my own bed with me. The evil herself.
My lord, please, that was not how it happened. All I did for both of us. I am asking you for a chance to explain, please.
I don't ever want to set my eyes on you again.
Mbano, don't say that.
You are leaving this house this minute. And I want you to listen with the royal voice that I do not ever want to set my eyes on you again.
Mbano, no, my prince.
Get this thing, this daughter of a Jezebel, out of this compound this minute.
It has not gotten to
Let
that.
me not ever set my eyes on her again.
My prince, it has not gotten to that. It's me, oh.
It's a royal decree.
It has not gotten to that.
For any reason I set my eyes on you in this palace, I will have to be beheaded.
My prince! My prince! Leave me alone! My prince!
No, go, let's...
My prince! Why are you pushing me? My bag is inside. My bag is... Let me go and carry my...
We'll bring your bag for you.
Hey, my prince! My prince, don't do this! My prince!
Hey, thank you, my dear. Why did you help me? I don't like that senior prefect at all. I don't like him. He likes to flog and intimidate junior students. He even flogged me today. No good mark on your naka. But let me ask you a question. Why did I come into school late every day? Because I used to help my mother preparing dog meat before I come to school. You're trying on me. I don't even used to help my father in doing anything. You should carry his cross by yourself. Hey! Let me tell you, Nefechi. Let's go. What's the man?
You were destined child. You were very strong. Zarachi, oh, what a beautiful serpent. She looks nice and colorful, but deep inside of her.
Any news?
Yes. Olana has been found. My intel said she was found at her paternal village. She now does palm wine and dog meat business. And from what I was told, the business is doing really good.
This is the worst thing I've heard today. Olana, that thing which has brought smile to your face will be the exact same thing that will bring pains to your soul. I promise you that. Drive.
Where are we going to?
Just drive.
Oh, what a beautiful serpent. She looks nice.
Mom and Dad are late again.
Maybe they are busy. Too busy to come and pick their kids from school. Look, if they know that they can't pay all their attention to us, then why did they bring us to this world?
Look, Mom and Dad are trying all their best. Their best is not enough. Alicia, yes, it's not.
I have an idea.
What?
Why don't we go and meet our new friend Nefechi?
Eh? That's a good idea. Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
Have you forgotten what happened the last time that we went there?
Why are you such a dummy?
Exactly. Don't come in.
Is it our fault that Mom and Dad are not meeting up with their parental responsibilities?
Exactly. You guys can go. Look around. All the responsible parents has come to pick their children. Left for us. If you're not going, we are going.
Let's go.
If you people leave, I'll report you to Mom and Dad.
You can't dare to do that.
You can't do anything.
We'll beat you.
Who? Yeah. You can go and see for yourself. Go now.
Sorry, I'm very sorry. My car broke down on my way to this place. That is the reason for my lateness. Please forgive me. Forgive me.
It's okay, Mom. What the matter is that?
But deep inside of her, full of evil, heartless sister. How long can this your evil last?
Good afternoon, ma'am. How may I help you?
Hey! Hey! How do you mean by how may you help her? What can you do to help a lady like this? It's obvious she is here to drink a very good palm wine and dog meat. And you are here talking nonsense. Just get out and get yourself busy with something good.
You must be Mr. Ikedieze, right?
Yes, well, you are welcome. Please, have yourself. Have yourself. Hey, get busy with something good. Have yourself.
We have common enemy.
I don't understand.
I know you wish to stick your angry finger into Olana's chest and rip out her heart for intentionally opening up the same business as you, just so she can steal your customers away.
How did you know all of this?
That question is not necessary. What is important is shutting her down We need her out of the way. That is what matters.
Yes. Or how do I come in?
I have taken care of everything already. All I need you to do is supply me some boys. Boys that can do our dirty job and clean it up professionally immediately after work.
I swear. I can do anything to make sure that I am the only palm wine and dog meat seller in this village. And this I can do. You can look at how scanty my shop, my bar is, just because of that nonsense bar that she started. She has been busy telling them all sort of nonsense on how I say adulterated drinks and wine. Lies! And I must do anything possible to stop her. Yes, we are good to go.
You have up until this evening to get it done. I shall be on my way.
It's a deal.
What a beautiful serpent. She looks nice.
That's good. That's wonderful. Something must be done. Yes, I'm good with this. I'm very happy with this.
What do you guys want from me? Eh?
I believe say, say, now we go to do the questioning. You go to do the answer. You dey mad? Eh? Perfect your alignment too.
Eba! Time. No day to the check time. At a time, there is no time to checkmate time. On high B, where is our tax?
Every week, 3 of you have been stealing from me. Eh? Collecting money from me. Eh? The only thing I know is that it's only the king that has the right to collect tax in this community. But you have been collecting from. Am I the only household in this community?
Leave am first.
No, what did you talk?
Leave am first.
No, make a boss in here. What did you talk?
Leave am. Body the sweet and leave am.
Obiora, go down and make God use you. You see, Obiora, this old man, he won't comot you from track. You understand now? You know why we come here now. Don't worry. Don't worry. Epa! Me, I don't observe you since you. And I know say you dey find who go buy you quick, I think. But you know what? I go grant you your wish. But no be today. Just mark her. Good. Say today, I know dey my period. I know they see my period. Epa, where our tax? Now where the money dey?
No be you they ask.
I don't have any money in this house.
What did this man they talk?
I don't have.
No. So, Abobi, go run or how it be? Ransack this house. March inside that house. Checkmate everything. Bring out anything when you see where you money. Bring a man. Epa, you go let work today. Bring a man. Satan, anything when you like money. Bring a man. Bring a man. Epa, they don't tell you say shoe no get size. I mean your clippers no get size. Your clippers no get size. Where you go learn work today. Go learn work today. Go learn work. Reader. see am now. Why people dey like this now?
Hey!
They say money no dey, no be money be this.
Why be well?
That is my daughter's money.
You want money, she has.
Come make her feel am.
Please.
Go down.
Please. That's the only money, oh. Please, don't take her money.
Papi.
Oh, don't take her money.
God don't enter.
Don't take her money.
Learn how to tell the truth. Make you fit chop food. Come on.
No, the wine us.
This one don't pass you.
No, your shoes. Oh.
No, your shoes.
Hey. Oh. They have taken everything. They have taken everything. Everything that my daughter has labored for. It will never be well with you guys. It will never be well with you guys. Oh, look at me. They have been stealing from me for over 3 years. All my efforts, all my work. They just come to take it. Look at me. Humiliation. This town won't let me be. Everything I've worked for in the last 3 years, they come and collect it.
Why did you guys waste much time?
Nobody keeps me waiting. Your unpunctuality to today's meeting is pardonable because this is your first time of meeting with me. Hence, you do not know me.
Who you they talk to? Who is one they talk to? You know, tell them, say they don't chat for us. I beg no try that nonsense. I mean, because of this flash car where you carry on, I make it they talk to us like that. I beg go.
I don't have time to respond to your irrelevances. And I don't care who the hell you think you are.
Oh, Piora, calm down. This is not why I called you people here.
As I was saying, I am only interested in the business that brought me here. The job that I have for you guys. If you can execute it very well, I will reward you with a sum of 500,000 naira.
Akwete! 500,000. 500,000 K for all of us.
Nope. 500K for each and every one of you. That will be 1.5 million.
Yay!
Madam, see me. I did game. If I don't know for them, for me, I did game.
You say?
Naka waka, come on for here.
Waka, madam. See, I did game. Forget this thing what I do. Sometimes my blood overhot. Forget it, I beg, because me, I like the money thing.
Relax. Why not to the rush? If not the rush, be like saying I won't crush. What's up? What kind of job do you want us to execute for you? Consider a job.
I want you to go to Olana's business, please, and destroy everything there. Chase her customers away and set it ablaze. Make sure that everything burns down. And if she proves stubborn, set her ablaze too. That will not be all. Do everything humanly possible to frustrate her until she begs death to take her away.
And Obiora, why I called 3 of you on this job is that I already know that you are an enemy to her family. And that will make it easy for you to carry out the execution.
Ikedieze. That one is small matter. Now you know see the be now. Forget it.
Based on logistics, what time do you want us to strike this deal?
I would have said now, but it's already getting late. So we will strike tomorrow. Emenike, my driver, will go with you guys to make sure that you do a clean job. He will be my eyes and my ear in case you guys decide to double cross me.
Emenike, know your shoe size, stand firm. Know your shoe size, stand firm. I don't mark on
Papa, what is it? Papa, what is it? What is it? What is wrong with you?
I went to the market to purchase some foodstuffs. By the time I came back, all the doors were open. And they made away with some properties from the house.
What the locks? They were not boggled. Wait. Where's my safe? Where's my safe? Hey! Eh? Papa! What happened? Papa! They made away with my safe. What happened, Papa?
Please, my daughter, please calm down. Calm down.
No, this is not happening. Papa, your story is not making sense to me. Papa, please, who came here and stole my money? Papa, I don't believe this cockapoo story. Who stole my money, Papa? The money I suffered to make since I started this my business. I've been saving money, I've been putting it in that safe. Now, that safe, it disappear go. The safe, it disappear go. You said property. I did not see any other thing missing in this house. Every other thing is intact, Papa. Who took my money?
I don't know. I went to the market. By the time I returned, the doors were open. That's what happened.
Papa, why me? Papa, why me? I know how I suffered, Papa. I know how I suffered to make this money. Mama, I want that, Papa. Someone came to this house and took everything. I will not take this one, no. Papa, if you know who took my money, tell me. Tell me who took my money, Papa. Who stole my money? Because nothing else is missing in this house. You say that they took away our properties. Everything is intact. So Segun nowhere. You don't know. You don't know who took the Olantis. You don't know who took Mama's expensive jewelry. Okay, no, so I'll find out.
Where are you going?
Papa, I will not take it.
Mommy! Grandpa, I don't want anything to happen to my mother. I don't want any party to happen to her.
Don't worry. Nothing will happen to her. Just take your bag. Go in. Shower. I'll cook you something to eat. Just do that. Do that, my son.
I don't want anything to happen to my mother.
I'm finished.
True love is hard to find.
No, it's a lie. True hunger is hard to find when you know more.
Who invited you here? Huh?
I'm hungry. I'm hungry. You have been sitting here, even in the morning that I left for school. You have been sitting here, the same seat, the same spot, thinking of all I know that's not even thinking about you. Thinking of somebody that you are not even in the person's gallery. Dying for somebody that does not even care about you.
Will you shut up? Shut up your mouth! What do you know about love?
I know that elders, if they see that, they'll be
saying. If you finish that statement, I will tell you that I'm your father and I gave birth to you. Now let me tell you. First thing tomorrow morning, you must go with me to the market and sell pomo.
Oh.
Oh yes.
This is what I don't like. If you come in other family, what you hear is, hey darling, go upstairs, freshen up. Tomorrow afternoon when you come back from school, we'll be going shopping, you pick whatever you want. Every time, I don't even understand you.
Now let me tell you, that is their house. Here is my house. And my rule says, you will go with me to the market to go and sell pomo. And that is final.
Even the pomo and I will be struggling to sell. To taste one and sell, you refuse. About name is pomo.
What? Say papo. Say papo. Say papo. If you record it. If you record it. Catch it for tomorrow. Catch it for tomorrow. Huh? I'm going to go to put on one. Or more.
What's the meaning of what? You flogged us just because we answered the right question.
I asked you both what food poison is. And you had the temerity to tell me it is when a wicked stepmother in Nollywood movies put a poison in a food for somebody to eat and die.
Ella, is that the correct answer?
Yes, sir.
I can see your hand has been scratching you to flog us. Now our hand is also scratching us to flog you. Violence is the way forward.
If you two rascals touch me this case or let alone flog me, I will deal with you mercilessly. And I will also take the principal to expel you from the school.
Expel, okay.
So please, will you get out from my way?
Okay, today is not the first day teachers are collecting water closely from students and... even the principal don't collect water from us, safe.
Will you get out from my sight? Get out from my sight! I will deal with you. Hi, the principal must hear this. Hi, I'm finished. Hi. Nefechi! Where is that untrained useless of a son? Where's that untrained son?
Hold it there. Hold it there. With all due respect, the only reason I will let this slide is because of the respect I have for you as Nefechi's school teacher. But you see this particular insult, I will not take it. I will not take it because this insult is directed to me as his father. So hold it there.
This insult is directed to you as a father of a useless son. Listen, my daughter has just said, and I don't care if you see it as an insult or a compliment. Look at her body. Look at my daughter's body. Just imagine. Just imagine. Look at what your useless son did to mine. And you are here talking of insult. What do you mean by that insult?
Tell that your nonsense son, if he comes back, that he should consider himself expelled from that school. And anytime I come back here, we'll continue from where we stopped.
So your father used the word useless on my son, and you used the word nonsense. You should be ashamed of yourself. Look at you. What did I do 3 months ago? Are you not ashamed of yourself? I don't blame you. Are you aware that I can go inside my house, bring out my cutlass and slice your legs? Because this is my compound, and you don't come to my compound and insult me, now insult my son. You don't do it.
Mr. Cutlass and Mr. Compound. Are you the only person that owns a compound? We are talking of course your useless son. did to my daughter, and you are here talking all sorts of rubbish. Eh? Tell your son to beware. Tell your son to beware. Else, Anaha Mama.
Papa, let's go.
Eh?
Let's go.
I can't live here. Because this man may think I am here for a joke. Yes? Warn him. Warn him. I can't have Mama.
Want that or nonsense son, no?
Leave that Papa. Leave here. Get out.
Want that or nonsense son?
Get out.
Want that or useless son?
Leave here.
Provide it.
Useless man, useless son.
Is that all you can do?
Why your son, no?
Go and tell the reactionary forces to wait for us. We shall meet again at Philip.
I don't blame you.
What happened? You sounded really tensed. Are you okay? I'm talking to you now. Why are you acting lost? What is it?
It's Nefechi. Nefechi and Afamefuna flocked their school teacher who came to the house with her father. When I was resting and was waiting for the time to go and sell my pomo, they were even threatening to expel Nefechi. He didn't even stop there. Eh? They threw the drink I was drinking, I was using to help my life. They poured it on the ground and stepped on it. Scattered the bottle.
Wait. If I got you correctly, you said Nefechi and Afamefuna, my son. They fought their teacher. They flogged their teacher. Right?
Flogging their teacher is an understatement. They laid her on the ground, on the floor, and flogged her mercilessly. I'm telling you. They flogged her mercilessly. I saw the scars on her body. Everywhere.
Well, I'm sorry about your drink. I have to go now.
Where are you going?
To ensure something synonymous doesn't reoccur.
No, Olana, you cannot go there. No, you cannot go there and start fighting, Olana. Eh?
Papa.
What is it? Why are you acting as if you are chasing a leopard?
Leopard is chasing me. Papa, I'm so irritated. Papa, I know how vigorously I work in this town to make sure I put food on our table and send my son to school. All he has to pay me back with is to constitute nuisance in their school. Papa, do you know that?
He flogged his teacher.
You've heard?
I've heard, oh. They came here. They brought hell and brimstone. The only luck we have is that Afamefuna was not at home. They would have torn him to pieces.
I'm sure he's hiding somewhere because he knows the consequences of what he has done. I will teach him a lesson. I will know why I sent him to school. If I sent him to school to go and constitute nuisance and find trouble, or I sent him to school to read, he will explain better when he comes back. I am so...
Mommy, because... Mommy.
Calm down.
Good afternoon, Mwogeba. Good afternoon, Gwagono. Oh yeah, explain yourself. What happened today? What happened?
Mommy, it's the teacher that flogged me and my friend though.
Why?
Because we came late to school.
See. If I hear pim from your mouth again, you will regret ever having tongue. Come here, Osisa. Come here. Come here.
Calm down.
Papa, no. I need to teach this boy a lesson. Come. Come here. Papa, tell him to come here. He must respect me. Come here. Now listen attentively. Now listen. You're scared of where? Why did I send you to school? I sent you to school to learn. I sent you to school to stay focused, to be smart. What did you do? Now listen attentively. You see that Jidena son? That son. I don't want to see him close to you. He has bad influence. I don't want that boy anywhere close to you. If you see him this way, follow this way. If he's coming this way, follow this way. Okay. Go inside, drop your bag, and change your clothes. We are going to the farm to tap. Fast!
No. Calm down now. Calm down. He has just returned from school. At least let him take his bath.
He should have thought about that, Papa, before constituting nuisance. Today, no food. Oh yeah, first, Osisa. Remove your clothes and bring things. We are going to the farm. Papa Gazuyazu.
Please calm down.
I am down, Papa.
I don't want him to bring shame to me in this house.
Where are you? Fast! Afamefuna!